26th January is not only a special day for India since it's Republic Day, but also a special day for physics and engineering. Let's see what is the reason behind this. There are three very interesting observations on this particular day, which we're going to discuss in this particular video. And they're all related to physics and engineering. And let's see how we look at it. The first one is on 26 January 1926, J.L. Baird, who was an inventor, demonstrated the first television in London. This particular demonstration was given for 40 people and also included some people from Royal Society. And interestingly, this particular demonstration was reported in newspaper in the Times. This particular demonstration happened exactly 100 years ago to this day, which is 26th January 2026. An important aspect of this particular invention was that you could capture the video images of a person. One of the first and the earliest images captured was of Oliver Hutchinson, who was captured in this particular television photograph in early 1926. And this happens to be one of the earliest photographs taken via television. The second interesting aspect related to this date is the public announcement of nuclear fission by none other than Niels Bohr. In fact, in a public conference, Niels Bohr announced about the splitting of uranium, which happened to be one of the most important announcement to have made in the age of atomic, nuclear fusion and related effects. The third aspect is related to the Bell Labs. In the Bell Labs, there was a lot of interest in coming up with transistor, and the transistor was already invented in 1940s, late 1940s. But interestingly, the germanium transistors, which were the earliest prototypes, had an issue. It had limited operational temperature range. So people thought that silicon was a much better transistor material. And it was on 26 January 1954 that the silicon transistor was first demonstrated. It was Morris and his co-workers in the Bell Labs who showed that this particular invention can supersede the germanium transistors, which were mostly used in that particular era. So, as you can see, there are very interesting aspects related to 26 January. It is not only related to the Indian Independence Day, but also a epoch historical day in the context of history of physics and technology. This particular video is based on a blog which I wrote, and if you're interested, do have a look at it. It's in the description. Thank you.